Hey, this is Avi, and we're going to jump right into the content here. If you're watching this video, it means you wanted access to this sales funnel and all of the moving parts that are associated with it to get motivated seller leads for real estate investors. If you're an investor yourself, if you're doing wholesale deals or fixing and flipping houses, or if you're just generating leads for a client who does that. So let me jump into it here in this bundle of content. Basically, what was included here is the following survey funnel, which is a website that is essentially 2 pages. It's an opt-in form with a few options to complete. So, a little mini quiz for a seller to complete. High converting keywords and ad copy for Google AdWords for a typical search campaign. The exact ad copy that we're using, pre-recorded YouTube video that can be uploaded and you can use it. I didn't put anything about the market or anything like that in there. So you should be able to use that in any market. It's got my voice, but if you want to replicate it, you can, or just use the one with my voice. It's ready to go. That would be for YouTube ads. We've got the precise image, headlines, and text for Gmail and display ads right now. So anything that's kind of on the display network, which would include Gmail ads, which are really cool. You can actually make it look like an email, but it says ad. I'm sure if you have Gmail, you've probably seen things like that in the promotions tab. Software components where you're going to basically be using a marketing phone number to record inbound calls and send lead notifications via email. Also videos like this one that are going to show you how to execute all these steps. And then obviously support via chat and message and Facebook groups to help you implement any of these campaign elements, because there are typically questions along the way. So let's dive into the first piece, which is that survey funnel. So this is the thank you page if you have received your funnel. And let's go into it. If you are a ClickFunnels member, which is a software to build landing pages, you probably recognize this link. It's a share funnel. If you do not know what ClickFunnels is, or if you're not a member of ClickFunnels, it's an incredibly helpful tool to build simple websites to take a customer or a lead through a path and allow you to essentially get information from that lead and then qualify them and then ultimately get them in contact with you for whatever you're selling. In this case, you'd be offering a cash offer on a house. So if you click that link, you're going to be taken to a page here that says, if you're not a ClickFunnels member, you can get a 14-day free trial. If you are already a member, you can log in. And what you're getting on this page is essentially a 2-page website. You can ignore all this stuff over here to the right and below. These 2 pages, 1 and 2, Houston and submit, are basically the entire survey funnel. So it's not very complex. If we preview this here, and you can click preview on each of these pages, you're going to see exactly what this survey funnel looks like. It's basically a little logo with a headline that says, want to sell your house fast. This has been the headline that's converted the best. I've tried multiple things, including, want to find out how much your home is worth. Would you like a cash offer on your house? This one, want to sell your house fast. Very simple. It's like that. Sub headline says, get 100% cash offer for free in less than 60 seconds. And then there's a survey quiz here with about 3 questions and then contact information. Below that is very basic content. That's it. That's all that's really needed here. If you want to add pictures and text, you can. I don't, because it's not really critical. And let me just show you how this works here. So would you like to sell your house, or when would you like to sell it? ASAP. Do you own it or not? Yes, I own it. And then why are you selling? So there's a few options here. These are not all encompassing, but there's another option. Somebody might be relocating, but they might need too many repairs. So let's just select that. And then once you select that third question there on the quiz, your pop-up will open. Where should we send your cash offer? And you can have that person enter in their information. When they submit that, it goes to the second page, which is essentially a thank you page saying, we'll be in touch with you with your cash offer, blah, blah, blah. So that's it. That's the entire funnel. And that is basically step number 1. So we went through that first page. The second page is right here. Whoops, I'm sorry, that is not the right page. It's right here, confirmation. And when you log in to open this funnel inside your account, you should be able to see that. So let me click right here. We're going to go into a brand new account and just see what it's going to look like for you. So if you do install this funnel into your ClickFunnels account, you're going to see, whoops, log into your account. Let me go back here. Okay, when you log in, you should see the funnel start loading. Yeah, there it is. Cash for houses right down here. And just give it a moment here. And then we'll walk through essentially how to open it up and edit it. There should not be a lot of editing required, but you may want to make tweaks. Obviously, you're going to change the phone number and certain elements of the website. So here we go. The funnel's done. It takes about 30 seconds there. View funnel. And so we're in here. And your website, you're going to be able to choose your domain name, but we'll get into that in a later video. But basically, here's what the website looks like. That's the first page. And the second page is right here, confirmation. And while this loads, I'm going to open up the editor so you can see how to edit this. It's pretty simple. But yeah, that's the preview of the confirmation page. And if we edit any of these pages, all you have to do is click that edit page button. And you can basically go over any of the elements on this page and change it. So obviously you're going to have a different phone number. You can click into there and make edits, 1, 2, 3, et cetera, et cetera. So let me X out of that. We'll get into the next few steps in the next few videos, but the next one we'll be talking about keywords to use with Google, and then different types of campaigns. So